Tappy activated. Here's the final and probably most important data transfer. How can you become a Moonbeam Ambassador? You start by submitting an application. Fill out a Google form with details about yourself, links to social profiles, and a video about yourself and how you plan to help Moonbeam grow. In 1 to 2 weeks, you'll get an email confirming your status as an apprentice ambassador. In this email, you'll find a must-read presentation covering everything about the program, with links to Moonbeam's social networks, even their official logo and color scheme. Uploading the next step. Subscribe to the Moonbeam Discord server. Contact support if your apprentice status hasn't yet been assigned. Once you have apprentice status, you're ready to start. Within 30 days, you gotta complete 2 tasks from the following options: making a meme about Moonbeam, recording an informative or fun video about the project, designing an infographic, or writing a helpful article about Moonbeam. Then you post your completed tasks on Reddit and submit the Reddit link in a Google form for review. In 2 weeks or so, you'll learn if you've been upgraded to a full ambassador. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Tappy deactivated.